Earthlings! We're in Melbourne and today we're doing something really cool.
Yes, we did!
Watch the footage. We're going to show you some of the street art, graffiti, murals, and sculptures all over the city.
We're in Melbourne, Australia!
There's tons to look at, so let's get going. Okay, ready?
There's a kitty. Adorable.
There's a lot of murals in Melbourne.
Dorbs.
I like some murals because they're really big. They're colorful and some of the designs are really cool. Like this one. That mural's giant, like my sister's head.
Isn't this a weird type of seat?
Make sure you subscribe to my channel and put a like for this video, and you'll be amazing. This area is called South Bank Promenade, and there are several art sculptures around here. This one's pretty weird. Oh, Ophelia. Oh, Ophelia! Living on the South Banks like the sun.
Look at this artwork. Isn't it interesting?
Okay, this one's called Ophelia. It's really cool.
We're on Hosier Lane in Melbourne, and we're going to check out the artwork.
The graffiti-covered walls are popular backdrop for photos, and the area has become a tourist attraction in Melbourne. There's all kinds of artwork here.
I think this one's kind of...
That's not very nice, Hope. Check this out. It's a marriage proposal. And he said yes!
Look at this box.
There's so much to look at in this neighborhood. I like this one. Here's a graffiti artist at work.
Look at all this art.
There's more graffiti and murals than you might think. The entire alleys are full and it goes for several blocks. Spooky. Feels a bit weird walking around here.
It's kind of interesting, but it's a lot of graffiti in some spots.
I think the whole street is graffiti.
Well, some of it's cool art. Others are just scribbles.
I've never been in a place that looks like this. The graffiti is literally everywhere.
I'm trying to figure out what that mushroom's made of.
It's amazing. It's beautiful. Looks spooky even at daytime. Would you walk down this alley at night? I know I wouldn't. Even the garbage bins are covered in graffiti. Who would even want to get close to those?
Look, it's the Canada flag.
That's so cool. A little piece of Canada on the other side of the world. We left Canada a long time ago. I think some of these alleys feel really creepy.
Hey, look at this. There's roses on one
Melbourne is a great city to walk around. This mural is Dad's favorite. I think it looks like him. Some of the murals on this street are really amazing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you'll be amazing. We've walked all over Melbourne and the streets and alleys are actually really clean and tidy. In the docklands of Melbourne, there is a cow in a tree. That's a weird sculpture. This mural is really cool. Look how big it is. And really detailed. Pick one of these videos to watch next. Narrator out! Mic drop. Ha!